installing an intake on my truck finally, but it's not gonna be a full intake. It's gonna be an AIRAID Modular intake tube. The reason why I want to go just with the intake tube is because I want to keep my stock air filter, because as you have seen in other videos, I actually use my truck to go to the desert. Plus, she's my daily driver and I don't want to have any problems with filtration and longevity of the engine. High flow air filters do add horsepower and everything, but for me it's not worth risking polluting all the intake and the engine head with dust and everything. I have a Diablo Sport Intune, which I usually use to make logs, and I have seen that my intake temperatures compared to the ambient air temperatures are not high at all. The stock intake on the truck, it's really good for maintaining low air intake temperatures, so that's why I'm not gonna change any of this. For the intake, I'm just gonna use these parts that you see here. I'm not gonna use the PCV recirculation hoses because I have these intake tubes capped, and I have redirected all the crankcase pressure directed to the exhaust using a Moroso crankcase evacuation system that I will show you in another video maybe. Well, it's been a couple of days since I installed the AIRAID intake tube. I have to say I'm really impressed with the quality of it. When I bought it, I thought, man, it's gonna be crappy, injected plastic or something like that. But actually the finish is pretty good. In terms of performance, I have been like trying to feel any difference with the truck.
Felt my dick move.
But to be honest with you, I don't feel nothing. Maybe it's marginal and it's a little bit better, and I would notice it if I return to stock. So the million-dollar question is, would I recommend you to buy it? If you want to. I mean, I don't feel any performance difference. I mean, maybe there is a difference, but to be honest, with the LongTube headers and the full exhaust and the tune, I would recommend going with a full cold air intake. But as I said, since I'm using the truck on the desert and in the dust, I really want to keep my stock filtration capabilities. And you may be wondering why I even bought it in the first place. To be honest, the stock airbox, it's really obnoxious. It's just... maybe this helps a little bit with the airflow. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like what you see in this channel, please subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.